Hey guys, I am coming live today to show you my newest Amazon order. I just got a bunch of really awesome stuff in. So I wanted to come on and show you guys what all I got. So I'm going to give it a second and see if anyone pops on live. You can also catch the replay. It always lives on my Amazon storefront page, which is the Traveling Trendsetter. Make sure you follow me guys on Instagram, the Traveling Trendsetter. I share Amazon finds all the time, but I'm just going to jump on in. So the first thing I have is that I'm going to share is what I have on. So I have this nice little crop sweatshirt. It's pretty thin. I just have a little bralette under it, which is linked on here as well. I just got in from walking my dog, and it's like 68 here, sunny and so nice, but I needed a little something thin over just a little tank because it's still a little chilly. So this is perfect. And then these are the TikTok viral shorts. I've sold a ton of these. I have a hot pink color. I like them because they're high-waisted. They have the elastic band. And then, Magnolia, stop. They have a zipper over here on the side that you can like put your keys or whatever in while you're walking. But they're also just an awesome short to wear while you're running errands or on the weekends or just during summer. They come in over like 20 colors, and I love the brand. And just want to make sure my camera's clean. I linked in a different, same brand, just a different short as well because they're actually on sale on this link for only $19.99. So when I get off here, I'm actually going to go order them in probably neon yellow and on black too. And then this right here was the little sports bra I have under my tank. So it's summer and your girl's getting ready for boat season. I live in Nashville, but we have a couple lakes around here and everyone goes in the water all the time, and so I did a bathing suit try on the other day and I was like, I need to lose some weight and get in shape so I'm comfortable in a bathing suit. So I ordered this sweat waistband. It's downstairs. I forgot to grab it to bring it up here, but so I wanted to link it anyways. It's 15% off right now. And then I just got some more greens in, which I've shared before on live. I love Bloom. I use their protein and their greens. Gives you your daily pre and postbiotic energy, all your natural fruits and vegetables, and some vitamins that you need to stay healthy, stay nice, helps with your digestive system and everything. So I had the mango ones at first, and now I'm going to try the coconut. So I want to make sure and link those. And then I buy everything from Amazon. When I say everything, dryer sheets, toilet paper, but both of these are already in the house and being used. So speaking of working out, I ordered a stepping machine, and it was on sale, and I think I'm gonna get a walking pad, but right now it's just so nice and I can be outside, so I thought I would start with something smaller for my at-home gym. So later I'll open this. Make sure you follow me on Amazon because I will be sharing a tutorial of how I set this up, how it works, and giving my honest review. But it's really heavy, so I'm hoping it's good quality and gonna be great because your girl needs it. I need to get in shape. And then I just ordered these little canvas like woven hat hangers. And so I just put them up the other day. And so I wanted to show you guys them because I just set up my new content room. So I'll be going live in here all the time, doing all my get ready with me in here, all my try on tutorials. So I've got a little room, but everything in here is Amazon. My chair, my vanity light, my ring light, my mirror, all my decorations. And you can catch all those I did a live like a month ago, and then I have them linked all under home finds and like decorations and stuff as well on my Amazon page, so make sure you follow me. That's another option for hats if you don't want to hang them all together, or you may have some cowgirl hats. I ordered these and they really are good quality, but I ended up setting them back because I wanted something a little more aesthetically pleasing for my room. So I just got in some more individual ones because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more hats to hang. So I actually am doing a double set, and then I'm going to do some individual as well. So I don't know if I ordered enough. I need to look. I'm waiting on the double ones to come, but these I think are both individual. So these are a little smaller than what's on my wall right now. But the hat just goes in between here and it goes around it and you hang it up, but it matches what I have up. And so I ordered 2 single ones, and then I ordered 2 packs of these. So 8, 9, 10. So I don't know if I ordered enough. I may need to order some more to put on my wall. And so I did the double and the single as well in those. So I'll be doing that, and I will come live when I put this up to show you guys how I hang them on my wall, how they work, and give you an honest review on quality and like application stuff like that. Ordered another thing for a workout room. I always love a good sale, and I read some reviews, and I think Pilates is a good thing for me to start on with my age, and I don't really like to work out, so hopefully I'll be able to enjoy this a little more. But it came with like the bars, different resistant bands, and so I'll be putting these together and showing you guys all what that is like. But I want to get ready, like I said, for boat season, because here in Nashville I'll be on the water a lot. So the rest is clothes. I ordered a ton of Show Me Your Moo Moo. If you've never heard of them, it's a great brand. The quality of clothes is amazing. They are higher end and higher priced. So at the end of the live, I linked some things that are inspired, that look like them, but maybe don't have the price tag. But also, I love Show Me Your Moo Moo, but Amazon has a lot of their stuff on sale. So let's go through that. First, I know I have some trips coming up, and I don't like to wear my real turquoise and take my expensive jewelry on trips. So I found these super cute earrings that are only $10, and they come in a ton of colors for all my like swim and beach vacation vibes that I have coming up. So, and they're really good quality. They're not too heavy, but they're really well made. So like beaded, and they have the gold hardware, and then they have the tassels. I think those are so cute. And then Cyber Brunette, I thought the cream would really pop. So, but they have them in all different colors you can get. And then I ordered this super cute denim romper. And make sure you follow me because I'll be going live later this week with a try-on, showing you all of this on and showing you the fit. But I love that, especially for summer. It's even got the pockets in the back, zipper down the front with the collar. And the next up is this super cute, like 70s vibe jumper. It's super bright, just like the picture. It's got the zipper down the front with the like belt. And then it's long, and the bottom is kind of like a wider leg. I thought it was straight, but I would say that's a little wider than a straight leg. But hang out with me for a couple days to see all this try on. And then I realized when I was doing my closet clean out the other day that I had like no blouses, like no cute, like going to dinner with a girlfriend or going to a concert, but didn't necessarily want to wear like a band tee. Love a good band tee. But so I ordered a couple nice tops. Show Me Your Moo Moo quality is just amazing. So it's super cute. It's got the like puff sleeve, and it's lined, which I love. And it's a little bit of a crop. So with like higher shorts or higher denim, it will be so cute. And I linked a couple different links because sometimes they just have them up like with the size. And then this is another color option for that shirt. And one good find about Show Me Your Moo Moo is their shorts. Their shorts are like full price on their website, but on Amazon, they're half the price. So this is the first pair. They're a full elastic waist, and I am obsessed. And I read the reviews on their website, and these were like by far like a fan fave. And they're a little wider in the leg. They've got the distressed bottom, but they're cuffed with the distressing, and then the 2 snaps, and then the back. So I'm super excited about these. I read the review and said they ran big, so I got an extra small, but I'll be trying these on and coming back to let you guys know for sure. And then I got this super cute printed romper. If you like this print, I linked a couple dresses, a couple tops, in this like floral print. I just love how bright it is. It really is so bright. And I think I did a medium in that just because they didn't have a small, and the reviews said that like if you're in between or if, like they kind of run similar. So we'll see. I have this romper in pink already in a small, and it fit me pretty good. So we'll see if that medium I'm going to keep it or not. And then another awesome find are these shorts. They're a little wider at the leg. They are actually distressed. I love like denim if you can't tell. But they have the elastic in the back, so they really give some room. So if you're in between sizes. But I did my true size in a 26 just to see kind of where their sizing went in shorts. I've never bought shorts from them. And they're under 100, which is a steal because I want to say they're like 140 on the other website. So I linked a couple different size options for that. And then this pink romper is the one that I already own, which I got so many compliments on when I posted it. And then for all my brides, bachelorettes, or people that just love white like me, when I'm not wearing tanner, because I got tanner all over a white sports bra I put on today, this little romper is so cute. I love the belt with the braided detail on the pockets. Now it is small in this, So I'll be coming back with a review of small, medium, the difference in the sizes if you want to try the brand. And then, like I said, I just linked a couple things. Like this romper is only $45. Like that's a steal. And then if it's still out of your price range, I linked a bunch of rompers that kind of like had the boho vibe or looked like Show Me Your Moo that you can shop. This one is on lightning deal. This one's super cute. And then you can't go wrong with a denim dress. So I just wanted to come on live and unbox my new stuff with you. Tomorrow I'll be going over some vacation must-haves, and then Wednesday I'll be doing a get ready with me with all my makeup and hair tips and tricks. So you guys make sure you follow me, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.